Today I will teach you guys how you guys can fix your fixed phone number verifying problem on ChatGPT or OpenAI. Let's say you want to log in into your account or you want to recover your account and you type your phone number but it says too many attempts or it says any other error. So today I will teach you guys how you guys can fix it. And before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe button. Let's move on. So the first reason you are having this problem is if you try to type your phone number or if you try to send a verification code to the phone number multiple times, like within an hour. Let's say you try to get a verification code 10 times or let's say 5 times, and it's going to say too many attempts. It's because ChatGPT is going to think, or OpenAI. So OpenAI is the company which created ChatGPT, so don't get confused. So OpenAI will think that some scammer or some hacker is trying to hack your account, so it's giving this little info to you. And to fix this problem, simply what you can do is wait 1 or 2 hours and try to log in or try to enter the phone number. It should work. But let's say in some cases it did not work. In that case, what you need to do is open a VPN and connect to another country or another server. So the VPN I will suggest you guys to use is this. So for computer, you can use this VPN called Windscribe. Now Windscribe gives you 10 GB free data for a month. Okay, so you can use this VPN to connect to any country you want. Now for free you can't connect to a lot of country, but you can connect to any other country from the one you're living in and try to log in into your account. It should work. Your problem should be fixed. So yeah, using VPN. And for mobile user, there are tons of VPN. You can just download and use any VPN you want, or if you already have a VPN, you can use that. There's no such thing as you need to use this VPN, but if you know any free VPN, you can use it. But yeah, that's how you guys can fix your phone verification problem on OpenAI. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe. See you guys next time.